it is very important how convenient you are, how seamless you are, type of service you provide upfront. Services becomes the differentiating factor, major differentiating factor. So, from IFL Securities perspective, our complete focus is how to become more and more digital. The way we have moved from most of the customers are moving from offline to online. So they are. It's a big success story from where we moved to the mobile channel. So our now, if you look at more than 40 to 50% trades happening on mobile. So mobile is the differentiating factor. Today customer cannot depend upon you, or he doesn't like to call you to get the details. So what we have done to begin with, first we have given a missed call service. Almost 10 of the services, whichever you want, you can just missed call and get the details. You don't have to call up, you don't have to do anything. Then we move to where we have extended the working hours itself. So we find that the people are calling up even after the normal conventional contact center timings. So we extended it up to 9 o'clock. And then what we did is, even after that, you want to have any services, you have any concern which you want to raise, we are given a voicemail services where you can just call up the number, leave your message, we will come back next working day, listen to it. If it is clear and lucid, we will reply back. Otherwise, we will call you up and take the details, then sort it out. So that is giving 24/7 services. Thirdly, now we have launched the chatbot, now which is going to be a complete game changer. So any service you want, from research to normal service issues, you can get everything on chatbot. The customer we find today is more self-surveillance oriented. So accuracy of data, if you talk about numbers, is 100%. The chatbot challenge is whether he is able to understand your questions or not. So what we are doing in chatbot is, number one, you can, if you are not getting your answer, he is able to raise his query then and there. He doesn't have to wait. So it comes to my CRM, I respond to him or I approach him. That is one piece of it. The other, we are going to integrate it to the live chat. So person can immediately connect to my call center agent if he is not able to help you, or can chat with him rather on text. So either connect or through chat. So all the channels we are making available, how you want to approach me. So always available to service him. So that is the approach. And we find that almost 70 to 80% people are coming is not for issues. These are the normal general queries. That's why chatbot will be very successful. That's why most of the people, what they need is, what is their ledger balance, what is their margin requirement. So what is their, who is their relationship manager, who is the basic things of their profiling, which they can either go to the mobile, they can easily see, or they can take it through chatbot. So most of the things get addressed there. So where they are facing any process related issues, so they can approach us. And our approaches, I always look at the overall perspective. The one person issue is the trigger point to look at, do we need to improve somewhere. So that is the approach we take. So wherever we get an issue, we analyze it and see where we need to improve on. So it is a criteria, one of the criteria to improve your back-end processes, how to strengthen them. So that is how we take the every query as a feedback sort of a thing, and then improve the overall processes. The new technology is going to come on those fronts only from digital perspective. How it, see, end objective is how to make convenient for the client, how to make it easy, a seamless experience which make him come back again. So that is the whole objective. The thing is that they are going to build on these parameters. So we keep looking for new technologies, we keep looking for new areas to improve on, to new technologies, new fintech companies coming in. So what are solutions are coming in? So we keep exploring. That is a ongoing activity. So you will find number of changes and number of I would say add-ons coming to this. So this is how we are looking at to improve from one level to the other. And if you find that customer once comes to us, will always be our customer.